In this video, we're going to talk about what is retinol, how not to use retinol, how to use retinol, and some retinol recommendations. This is Retinol Do's and Don'ts. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Happy to see you. And if you're new here, I hope you like my vibe and maybe subscribe. I make videos about skincare, beauty, fashion, and also some philosophical videos. Now let's get into it. So I wanted to begin this video by explaining detailed what retinol is and what benefits it has before we get into my retinol skincare routine. So what is retinol? So retinol is a form of vitamin A that is widely used in skincare products due to its numerous benefits for the skin. There really isn't a retinol for beginners, I would say. This is why I was cautious and a bit scared to start using retinol, especially with dry skin that I have. And why it's not why there isn't really a for beginners retinol is because retinol is a cosmetic ingredient. It is a derivative of vitamin A and is commonly used in skincare products due to its various benefits for the skin. Retinol is known for its potential to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture, promote collagen production, and enhance overall skin radiance. It is often found in anti-aging creams, serums, and other skincare formulas. So I wanted to get into some key aspects of retinol and its benefits. The first one would be skin cell turnover. Retinol promotes the cell turnover, which means it helps to speed up the process of shedding dead skin cells and replacing them with fresh new cells. This can result in a smoother and more even complexion. Collagen production. Retinol stimulates the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Increased collagen production can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin, leading to a more youthful appearance. Acne treatment. Retinol is effective in treating acne because of its ability to unclog pores, regulate oil production, and reduce inflammation. It can help to prevent the formation of new acne breakouts and improve the overall texture of the skin. Hyperpigmentation reduction. Retinol can help fade dark spots, sunspots, and hyperpigmentation caused by sun damage or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It works by inhibiting the production of excess melanin, that pigment responsible for dark spots. It also has some skin brightening effects. Retinol can help brighten the skin and give it a more radiant appearance by evening out the skin tone, reducing discoloration, and promoting a healthy glow. It's important to note that retinol can cause skin sensitivity, dryness, and flaking, especially when starting to use it. It's recommended to start with a low concentration and gradually increase usage to allow the skin to adjust. Additionally, it's crucial to use sunscreen during the day since retinol can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight. Consulting with a dermatologist or skincare professional can provide personalized advice on incorporating retinol into your skincare routine. But we are going to go through the do's and don'ts about retinol, and we will begin with the don'ts. So I will begin with hydrating my skin, and I'm so sorry that my products are not focusing. I really tried, but I think it's because of the lightning of the room. But down below here you could see what kind of product it is. So why I will start hydrating my skin is because it minimizes dryness and irritation. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, as we mentioned, and can sometimes cause dryness, flakiness, and irritation in the skin, especially during the initial stages of the use. Proper hydration helps to mitigate these side effects and maintain skin comfort. So the first don't is don't use during pregnancy. High dose of retinol products are not recommended for use during pregnancy as they may pose risks to the fetus. Consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Another reason why I also make sure that my skin is hydrated is because it enhances the skin barrier function. Retinol can temporarily disrupt the skin barrier, which is responsible for retaining moisture and protection the skin from external irritations. By keeping the skin adequately hydrated, you support the skin barrier's integrity and function, reducing the likelihood of moisture loss and further irritation. Hydration also supports skin healing. Hydration plays a crucial role in the skin's natural healing process. When using retinol, the skin might experience increased turnover and regeneration, making hydration vital for optimal healing and recovery. Well-hydrated skin tends to bounce back more effectively and is less prone to redness or peeling. This, by making sure that my skin is hydrated, had actually really helped me use retinol and has really made some. So my next don't would be don't combine with certain ingredients. Avoid using retinol alongside with other active ingredients that may increase skin sensitivity or cause adverse reactions, such as benzoyl peroxide or alpha hydroxide acids, AHAs and BHAs. So the next thing in my retinol routine after applying these serums and making sure my skin is hydrated, I like to use a facial oil. This will help me increase tolerance of the retinol. Retinol can be potent, especially for individuals with sensitive skin or dry skin like me. Applying a facial oil prior to or after retinol application can create protective barrier on the skin, helping to minimize direct contact between retinol and the skin surface. This can improve tolerance to retinol and reduce the risks of irritation. So the next don't would be don't overdo it. Applying too much retinol or using it too frequently can lead to excessive dryness, peeling, and redness. Follow the instructions provided by the product and gradually increase usage if needed. And another don't that is fairly important is don't forget your sunscreen. As mentioned earlier, retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun's harmful rays. Always wear a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during the day to protect your skin. Also, another don't is don't use on compromised skin or irritated skin. If you have sunburn, eczema, or any other form of compromised or irritated skin, it's best to avoid using retinol until your skin has healed. Another don't is don't combine with exfoliating scrubs. I obviously feel like you should avoid scrubs overall since it creates micro tears on your skin, which can lead to early aging. But avoiding using physical scrubs or harsh exfoliator while using retinol, as this can cause additional irritation. Instead, opt for a gentle chemical exfoliants if necessary. Another don't that is very important is don't use with certain medications. Some medications, such as certain antibiotics or topical treatments, may interact with retinol and increase skin sensitivity. Consult with your healthcare professional if you are unsure. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's important to listen to your skin's response and adjust your retinol usage accordingly. Now, let's get into retinol do's. So the next part I like to do before applying a retinol is to use some sort of an ointment. Vaseline is an example, and this product as well. And by using an ointment, it helps to improve the tolerance and reduce irritation. Retinol can be harsh, as we have said that before, especially for individuals with sensitive or easily irritated skin. Applying an ointment prior to or after retinol application creates a protective layer on the skin, acting as a buffer and reducing direct contact between retinol and the skin's surface. This can help minimize potential irritation and increase the skin's tolerance to retinol. So I like to use around my sensitive areas, such as under my eyes and around my mouth. So the first do would be patch test. Before applying a retinol all over your face, perform a patch test on a small area of the skin to check for any adverse reaction or sensitivity. Another do is start slowly. If you're new to retinol, begin with a lower concentration and gradually increase it over time to allow your skin to adjust. So the retinol that I'll be using tonight is this Night Shift from Stratia Skin. and it's a night cream with encapsulated retinol. So this cream has glycerin in it and squalane, which is very hydrating for the skin. It also has seed oil in it, which also helps for dry skin and is not so harsh for dry skin since it has retinol. So I really recommend this one. I have not had any problems with this one. Another retinol cream that I use it mostly when I travel because it's very easy to pack it up. It's from Peace Out Skin and it's retinol face stick. So this one is very gentle on my skin. I have not had any issues with it. So if you have dry skin like me, this might work for you as well. And if you're looking for some stronger retinols, one that I would recommend is from Face Theory called Regina C Moisturizer Pro. So it's pro retinol cream with 3% retinol liposomes and has hyaluronic acid in it and vitamin C. So the hyaluronic acid will help with moisturizing and will help it to not be so harsh on the skin. So I would definitely recommend this one as well. And another retinol that I would recommend is also from Face Theory. It calls Regainer Calm Serum. It's an intensive treatment serum with licorice dill and 2% retinol ester and vitamin C. This one is also good for dry skin like me and sensitive skin, but it's when you have used retinol for quite a bit and you want to opt in for a more stronger type of retinol. But as I mentioned before, start slowly and always patch tests. There are so many retinol products out there. These are just some of my picks and that I've used and not have had any issues with them. Please comment down below if you have a great retinol that you're using at the moment and that you could help any other person watching this video to maybe start purchasing it and using it. So the next do would be apply at night. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it's generally recommended to use it at night. Follow up with a broad spectrum sunscreen during the day. And the next do is moisturize, as I have mentioned before. To minimize dryness and potential irritation, follow up with a moisturizer after applying retinol. This helps to lock in the moisture and soothe the skin. And my next do would be patient. Results from retinol can take time to become noticeable. Consistent and long-term use is key to experience its full benefits. So I hope this was a helpful guide for you on how to start using retinol. And please, if it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel a lot. And I'd like to end my retinol skincare routine with applying an oil on top since I have such dry skin. But thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, you'll probably like this video as well. It should be helpful, and see you on my next video. Bye.